Welcome to our derivatives course. We will be going over how to create a profit and loss chart for a long put option today. Let's begin. We will use Google Sheets. So, let's open a new sheet. Let's define the parameters for our example. Our underlying stock is Apple for this example. We are working on a put option. Current spot price for Apple stock is $255. Our strike price is $250 for this example. Our current option price is $3.05. Our maturity date is October 17th. We will enter a single contract. Next, let's create a list of possible prices for the underlying stock, Apple, for our scenario analysis. We will increase the price by $5 going up. We will decrease the price by $5 going down. Next, let's add our strike price, which stays constant as the underlying stock price changes. Next, let's add the cost of buying the put option. This cost also stays the same as the underlying stock price changes. Since each option contract has 100 shares, we multiply the cost of buying the option by 100. Now, we can calculate the exercise value. This is the potential profit and loss at the end of the maturity date for this put option. The exercise value for a put option is the difference between the strike price and the spot price. However, since this is an option contract, we are not obligated to exercise the option we own. So, if the exercise value is negative, we wouldn't exercise. Thus, the exercise value becomes the maximum positive exercise value, or zero. Since each option contract has 100 shares, we multiply the exercise value by 100. Next, let's add the number of contracts to the cost and to the exercise value. We will simply multiply the cost per contract with the number of contracts. We will also multiply the exercise value per contract with the number of contracts. Let's see what happens to the cost and to the exercise value as we change the number of contracts. Finally, let's draw the profit and loss chart. Notice that the potential loss for this put option that we bought is limited to the cost of buying it. This concludes our illustration of the profit and loss chart for a long put option. See you at the next lecture.